You know, today we're going to talk about a habit that is so simple. It almost feels, I don't know, a little radical in today's crazy wellness world. And that is just drinking warm water.
Yeah, you know the ones. Before all those expensive detox drinks that promise you the world.
And before we were all convinced that we needed this super complicated cabinet full of supplements just to get through the day.
And way before all the wellness trends that come and go, people started their day with something incredibly basic. Just a simple cup of warm water. That's it. No flashy labels, no big promises.
So that really brings us to the big question, right? In a world that's just packed with complex health advice, does this super simple habit actually do anything? Let's take a calm, old-school look at it.
Okay, so let's be super clear about this from the get-go. We're not talking about some magic cure-all here. What we're doing is kind of rediscovering a really gentle, time-tested ritual that just quietly supports your body's natural functions. It's all about keeping it simple.
All right, and just so we're all on the same page, when I say warm water, what do I even mean? It's exactly what it sounds like. It's water that's just slightly warm to the touch, comfortable to sip. We are definitely not talking about boiling hot water here. This whole idea actually comes from traditional practices like Ayurveda, where the goal was always about comfort, not scorching heat.
Okay, so how on earth does something so simple actually work? Well, it really all comes down to gently preparing your body for the day ahead.
Think about it. After you've been sleeping all night, your digestive system is pretty much snoozing, right? It's dormant. So a glass of warm water, it's like a gentle little wake-up call. It helps relax the stomach and intestines, it gets the blood flowing, it preps your body for food, and it kind of encourages that natural cleansing process first thing in the morning.
I love this analogy because it's just so perfect. It's like warming up an engine before a long drive. You wouldn't just jump in your car on a cold day and floor it, right? No way. You let it warm up. Well, this habit is pretty much the same exact concept, but for your body. It's that gentle start that gets your system ready for the hard work of digestion and whatever else the day throws at you. So let's get into the specifics, the 5 quiet benefits. And I really want to stress that word quiet. We're not talking about dramatic overnight transformations. This is all about steady, gentle support for the systems your body already has in place.
First up is digestion. So warm water can actually help break down foods a bit more effectively than cold water, especially things like fats and oils. And what that means for you is that everything just moves a little more smoothly through your digestive tract. The payoff? Maybe less gas, less bloating after you eat. It's like giving your digestion a nice, gentle assist.
Number 2, it helps with your body's natural detox process. And let me be really clear about this. You do not need some fancy, expensive juice cleanse. Your liver and your kidneys, they are your body's detox powerhouses. Warm water just supports them. It promotes hydration, which helps flush out all that metabolic waste through sweat and urine. It's really just hydration doing its job in the most effective way.
All right, number 3, this is a big one for a lot of folks, reducing constipation. So often the culprit is just dehydration. I mean, think about it. You've gone a whole night without drinking anything. Starting your day with warm water helps rehydrate your gut right away. That helps soften things up and gets the intestines contracting, which is exactly what you need for, regular, comfortable bowel movement.
And 4th, we've got circulation. The warmth from the water, it's what's called a vasodilator. That's just a fancy word that means it gently helps expand your blood vessels. And when your blood vessels expand, blood can flow more freely. And here's the cool part. That improved blood flow can actually help ease muscle tension, maybe even reduce a little bit of soreness. It's such a simple way to get things moving in your body.
And last but not least, number 5 is really about the ritual itself. Just the simple, mindful act of sipping a warm drink in the quiet of the morning, it's just naturally calming, isn't it? That consistent little moment of self-care can help dial down cortisol, which is your body's main stress hormone. It just helps set a calmer, more centered tone for the rest of your day.
So, if you're thinking, okay, I might want to try this, how do you actually make it a habit that sticks? Let's get into the practical side of things.
Okay, the most important thing here is to keep it simple. We're talking 1 to 2 cups, sipped slowly, first thing in the morning. And that empty stomach part is pretty key, because it lets the water pass through and hydrate you super efficiently without getting stuck behind food. And please, sip it. Don't gulp it down. You don't want to shock your system. Just remember, doing it consistently is way more important than how much you drink.
Now look, this is safe for most people, but there are a couple things to keep in mind. If you deal with really bad acid reflux, or if you have any sores in your mouth or throat, super hot liquids can definitely be an irritant. So the main takeaway here, and I really can't say this enough, is to always choose warm, not hot.
All right, let's wrap this up. So what have we really learned about this old school habit? It all boils down to just a few core ideas.
And here they are. It's simple, it costs absolutely nothing, and it takes no time. It's safe for pretty much everyone, as long as you do it right, and it's sustainable. It's such an easy ritual to build into your daily routine for the long haul. You know, sometimes the best habits are the ones that have been around forever, and there's usually a good reason for that.
And that really just leaves me with one last question for you. Is this something you already do? Or are you thinking there might be a little room in your morning routine for a simple ritual like this one? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience with this timeless little habit.